Feedback na ako kay Sir Lemon and his services. So, ang masasabi ko lang is, I highly recommend Sir Lemon. Very, very active or proactive siya. The kids, or very engaging sa mga kids. Siyempre, alam naman natin, birthday party for kids. Very important to have the kids occupied kapag nagma-magic or nagpapagame siya. So, yun lang. I highly recommend Sir Lemon for any of your magician or hosting.
Okay, si Mami naman. Si Mami natuwa kasi syempre si Mami yung kumuha kay Sir Lemon. Si Daddy lang yung nagbayad. Pero I highly recommend Sir Lemon din sa lahat ng mga kids party nyo kasi aside from very energetic siya, yung mga kids kasi nagpa-participate sila dun sa program. So that's also the most important thing na nag-enjoy lahat. Even the mommies, the parents, the daddies, nag-enjoy sila aside from the kids. Lolos and lolas na nakaka-join lahat sa party. So kahit anong age, the party is really interactive. So highly recommendable si Sir Lemon and the entire crew. Actually, pati yung crew na tumulong kay Sir Lemon, lahat sila very, very professional. Thank you, and
thank you, Sir Lemon.
Yes, more power.